Hello there everyone, I'm Lydia from Altenew and I'm just popping in to talk a little bit about our washi tapes. So we have a huge array of sizes in our washi tapes. We have really quite thin ones which range from around 5mm to some really large ones as well. So the larger ones will fit on the front of a A2 card base, so it's really great to add some really quick and easy backgrounds. And so we have some even bigger ones as well, which wouldn't get lost on a scrapbook page. All of our washi tapes are 10 meters long, so this means you're going to have lots of beautiful design to use wherever you wish to. They also adhere to many different surfaces. This makes them really great for some home decor items as well. So they will attach to different furniture pieces or even your walls if you wish. We have a myriad of designs as well. So we have florals, we have geometrics, so they will work on many different looks, be that feminine or even masculine as well. They're great for adding really quick backgrounds, but also you can fussy cut them out as well to create many different elements to add to your paper crafting projects. As well as fussy cutting out the elements from the washi tapes, we also have a range of dyes that work with some of them. So this is going to be a really great time saver, and then you're going to be able to add lots of beautiful floral embellishments to your cards and projects. We really do hope that you love our washi tapes as much as we do, and we hope that you have so much fun using them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again really soon. Bye bye.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!